Did you know that fruits can do wonders for your heart health? Yes, that's right. In this video, we'll explore the power of fruits in supercharging your cardiovascular system. So, let's dive in. Fruits are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote heart health. They are low in fat, cholesterol, and sodium, making them essential for a healthy heart. One fruit that deserves a special mention is the mighty blueberry. These little blue gems are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve heart health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of blueberries can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Moving on to another heart-healthy fruit, the avocado. Avocados are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, also known as healthy fats. These fats help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve overall heart health. Next, we have the delicious apple. Apples are packed with soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also contain antioxidants that protect against heart damage and promote a healthy cardiovascular system. Let's not forget about the citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits. These tangy fruits are loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Now, let's move on to the sweet and juicy strawberries. Strawberries are rich in heart-healthy nutrients like potassium, folate, and antioxidants. They have anti-inflammatory properties and can improve blood vessel function, ultimately promoting a healthy heart. Last but not least, we have the tropical superstar, the pineapple. Pineapples are packed with bromelain, an enzyme that can lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and prevent blood clots. They are a delicious and refreshing addition to any heart-healthy diet. Incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet is a simple and tasty way to supercharge your heart health. So, let's raise our fruit-filled glasses to a happy cardiovascular system. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on healthy living. Stay fruity, stay